When you watch this video, you will not eat potato chips again. You are on the beach and you are approaching the beach bar. You have some fries and a cold beer. Logical. It's what you fancy with this heat. And we are not going to read you the primer here to tell you not to do it. But at least you should know what you're up against. 1. A sea of fat. That the chips are passed of oil already knows who has opened a package and seen the silvery plastic glittering in the sun. But the numbers are something else. And is that as highlighted in a study of OQ, the amount of fat contained in potato chips reaches up to a percentage of 34%, which is a third of the bag consumed. 2. Bad oils. The study also reveals that manufacturers use and abuse palm oils and coconut oils, which are very economical and easy to handle. However, both are considered to be of little benefit to health. In overall fat quality, OQ values the percentage of saturated fats and trans fats. 52% of products get a bad note, a worrying result. 3. An alternative. So, what to do? The lunch boxes are the key. The important thing is to have healthy food on hand, to resort to it in every moment of weakness. Loading all the containers is the price to pay. However, being light but continuous meals should not take up too much space in your backpack. How long will you be at the beach? Well, it's as simple as taking the food you need for those hours. Your alternative is to take fruit to the beach. What's more, summer fruit is the richest fruit of the year. Take advantage of this.